Hi. Hi, everybody. It's Barb Del Judas, and I've been chilling out with my Beanie all day. He's relaxing more. I'm trying to get a good angle of us both here. And I've got my sun lamp on. So, he's really bonding with me now. And, yeah, right, beep, beep. Yes. He's looking around, and so we're having a better day today. I got him to relax. I went for a walk earlier, and when I got back I felt better, and that helped just me feeling better. The walk made me feel less nervous, and then he felt better. And also, we took a nap on the bed together. Let's see. There. He loves the fringe on that blanket. And we did that earlier today. And I locked the door so nobody can open it and he'll fly away. That would be terrible. So there's a lock on the door. Hi, you want to come here? Where do you want to go? Yeah. There. Okay. I don't know if you can hear the dog. Do you hear it? I'll have to play it back and see, but my sister and nephew have a dog, and all it does is bark. That's not really funny, but his name is Mr. And Beanie was actually listening to him earlier barking, so that's a good sign, right? Right, maybe? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, we just wanted to say hi. We love all of you, and thank you for your condolences. And we're trying to get used to not having baby here in body. We know he's here in spirit. Yeah, I know. What are you looking at? Okay. So make sure to please like and subscribe to my channel and join my Patreon, because I have a goal. I've wanted to do this for a long time, is to help more birds. So that would be wonderful if you could join my Patreon. Okay, thank you. Have a great evening, right, Beanie? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.